The day of deposition for State District Judge Ken Anderson. He is accused, as a prosecutor 25 years ago, of botching the murder trial of Michael Morton, who was wrongfully convicted of killing his wife. KXAN's David Scott is at the Williamson County Justice Center, where he spoke to Anderson just a short time ago.
Judge Ken Anderson, none too happy to be going through these depositions, 12 hours in all now. Attorneys for Michael Morton say that Anderson, as a prosecutor in the original murder trial, suppressed evidence that would have kept Morton out of prison. But now, new evidence has freed Morton. He was let out last month, and it pointed to another man, Mark Allen Norwood, who now sits in jail. Attorneys for Morton say that Anderson held back important evidence, such as a stolen credit card and forged check that were used days after the murder, evidence that kept Morton in prison.
I have cooperated as much as a human being can cooperate. 12 hours of deposition is an inordinate amount of time. I fully expect that this has been resolved a month or two ago in a public hearing, in a public courtroom, with a judge and me and the other prosecutor and the two defense attorneys all testifying, having direct examination, cross-examination, a judge make a ruling, that ruling go to the Court of Criminal Appeals, as it does in every other case that I've ever heard of.
The assistant prosecutor in the original murder trial, Michael Davis, has already given his deposition. In it, he claims it was Anderson that chose which evidence would go in the trial and which would be kept out. Next week, we're possibly expecting some of Anderson's deposition to be released, and we'll find out what he has to say. In Georgetown, David Scott, KXAN News.